friends, welcome to our channel Intelligence Inspirations. So today we will make in a parallel connection. That the parallel connection is also available in our home wiring. So let's start. Things required are two jumper wires, one breadboard, one battery, one resistor, a snap connector, two LEDs. So let's start. First of all, we will take our breadboard. So now we will attach our snap connector to our battery. So I have attached my snap connector in my battery. So as you guys can see, there we have this two plus and minus. Plus is for red wire and minus is for black wire. So we will add it. So we have insert black wire in minus and red in plus. Now we will take our first jumper wire and we will put in plus 1. So I have put it in my plus, and now I have put my second jumper wire in another, mine in minus 1. Now I will take my LEDs and I will insert it here. I have inserted here. Now I will take another and I will insert in the same row and column. So I have inserted it in same. Now I will take my resistor and I will put this resistor in positive legs of both LEDs. Now I will take my jumper wire and I will insert it in the leg of resistor. Now we will take our minus jumper wire and now we will insert in minus row of LEDs. So as you can see, our circuit is complete. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for getting our more notifications. Bye for now.